Hello and welcome back to my channel. For these next two videos I have a very special friend joining me on my adventures. It was such a gift to have Julie visit me in Augsburg, and we had an incredible time hiking, van living, skating and exploring. We even took on the journey to Spain via train to catch some surf, have gelato, spend time by the beach and in the lovely city of San Sebastian. Not to forget the many times we had the giggles.
And my rings. Or six of those. Just a little walk. So we didn't kill her.
I hope you have fun watching this video.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare, or you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours all, but you fill me up and I can feel it now. Like a camel through the needle, everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal, 'cause if there's no sequel, I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word.
Hello guys, welcome back. Look at this. We have Julie starring in the next two videos. Where are you from?
I'm from Hawaii.
She's
Which is
from
wild.
Hawaii. She got to visit me here, which is super cool because she just graduated and is traveling around Europe. We're so excited to have her here, like literally so excited. It's actually unreal to have somebody from Hawaii we've known there come here to our home.
Am I the first?
Yeah.
First and only.
So we did do our work at the coffee shop that Lucy's now working at, and we're now gonna go van lifing for the next 2 nights because we want to do a big hike.
Very excited.
Super excited. It's gonna be lovely. The weather is perfect. Like it could have been pouring down.
Would we still
as
go?
well. No.
We wouldn't have?
You can't out. It's like too muddy. You can barely even walk. But we're super excited. It's gonna be so much fun. We're taking you along, and I just wanted to introduce her first. So let's go. Yeah. We made it to our sleeping location. Fully honestly, here we're like a little bit freaked out to be here by ourselves, but honestly, like, we're fine. It's fine. We'll just cook something and then we'll go to bed and be alright. I'm not a darkness girl. I don't like the nights. It's just like, no. Yeah, cook something. I'm gonna teach Julie my go-to signature meal that Lucy and I have all the time, and then we're gonna go to bed super early because we want to get up super early because we want to do a massive, amazing, incredible, beautiful hike tomorrow. So
I literally have no idea what we're doing. I would just like to throw this out here that she's like, yeah, we're just, I'm gonna figure it all out. And I fully trusted her. I'm in the middle of nowhere.
exactly.
There's cows outside that sound like they're actually going to kill us. Like murderous cows.
It sounds a bit weird. I'm not gonna lie.
For sure some murderous cows are going on.
Other than that, we're totally fine.
No, it's a great time. Yeah.
All thumbs up!
It's been a really hard week.
I always do that when I cut onions. I go to Luis and I'm like, and he's like, "Are you okay?" I'm just kidding.
It's so hard. Wow, it's hard out here. Oh my god. Boy, oh boy. Just like going through a lot. Oh my god, ow!
Good job.
Outside of human intuition, 'cause tonight it's enough for me to know.
how's your first LenaLuciia meal from scratch?
I'm very happy about it. It tastes delicious.
Have you tried?
I had a little nibble when you weren't looking.
Yes,
Sorry.
that's okay. Lovely. It looks awesome. Morning!
Morning!
We just woke up and took forever to get ready.
It was like an hour ago?
Yeah, like 1.5 hours ago. However, I'm ready now and we're gonna go. Are you excited?
I'm excited. I'm cold. I'm excited.
It is pretty cold.
We're not as warm as we look. No.
Okay, let's go!
Coffee, back to business. Behind the scene, I'm a witness of all she can be. Of all she can be. She sent her photo to an agent. A skinny mirror, rare occasion, a chance to be great, a fortune to make.
Hi, we're checking in. We're exhausted.
I think I'm dying.
It is pretty exhausting. Is it elation?
Elevation.
Elevation?
The elevator. It's not working today.
It is rather steep.
I'm honestly contemplating everything in my life ever. Like every moment that's led to this one. How did I get here? But yeah, it's a grand old time.
Yep, still doing okay. We're taking some shots now. Might have like a little snack and then continue on. We might be snacking.
She's no keeper, born a fate shaper, karma glow, karma glow. In her vision, superstition, karma glow.
If you look, you see a wild Lena going to retrieve the drone. We lost it in the wilderness for 4 days, trying to find it. She looked, she scoured, she looked through all of the land, and she found it way up there. Way up there. And now she prances down the mountain like a wild gazelle, striving to stay safe in the wild terrain.
Karma glow, and lovely lady luck will follow where she goes. And she's a very special someone we should know. Tonight the future's on the way to land before her feet. A random joke, a kiss, a lucky tweet. Lovely lady luck will follow where she goes. And she's a very special someone we should know. Tonight the future's on the way to land before her feet. A random joke, a kiss, a lucky tweet. She's no keeper, born a fate shaper, karma glow, karma glow.
Over the rainbow.
Okay.
Let me just 1 second. Okay, so first you start with this.
See?
Yeah. And then the strumming pattern is So it's down, up, down, down, no. Yeah, I think it's easier if I use like this for down, this for up, personally.
Okay.
Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. I think. Is it? No, wait. Is that what I'm doing? Yeah. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Up, down.
Easy was. I kind of want to.
We're back from hiking. We will talk about the hike in a second, but Julie's about to have her first Kaschbatzen, which if you're German, you know this. If you're not, it's like the most comforting meal ever. It's basically just like super cheesy gnocchi, but gnocchi without potatoes. And it's just really fucking good. I'm curious to see what she says. We're gonna film.
We're filming my first bite.
try. Yeah.
Okay. I'm also like to highlight that I'm absolutely starving and I have no brain cells left. Shut up.
Isn't this so good?
It's like the best mac and cheese I've ever eaten in my life.
Yeah, but kind of like more wholesome, yeah?
More wholesome, tastier, more flavor profile. I'm gonna need a private moment.
Julie, tell us, what did you think of your first German hike?
So I would like to point out that me and Lena didn't talk much about what we were doing beforehand.
I didn't tell her shit. I said nothing. I was like, we're
Literally
hiking, period.
Absolutely nothing. And that's honestly how I think the next 2 weeks are about to go. Because like she's tried to tell me, she sent me some voice memos, she's let me know what's up. I've paid attention to nothing. All the love, but really nothing. And so we get there, it starts like a nice light stroll. We pass by some cows and I was thinking like, this will be nice. And then all of a sudden I look up and I keep looking up and I see this massive mountain. And in the back of my mind, I'm like, there's no way this crackhead is trying to take me all the way up this thing. There's no way. I almost died.
Also, we didn't go technically up the mountain, so it wasn't a peak. We did no peaks, actually.
So we didn't kill ourselves.
Yeah, we still went up the mountain really high.
I would like to reiterate that I've been eating pasta as my workout for the last month. I about halfway through looked at her and I was like, I'm done. Like, I'm not doing this.
She's like, I'm kind of hitting a wall here. I'm like, you're not.
I didn't
just
say,
keep going.
I said, I'm fighting some demons. Literally, I was fighting this voice inside my head saying, no. Like, my body wanted to give out. Push past that wall. You keep moseying along for a couple more hours. We, by the way, couldn't talk for the first, like, 3 hours of the hike.
Very true. Like, every single time it got steep and, like, the elevation hit, we were like, hey, talking break. Yeah. Because we need to breathe.
Yeah, I had to focus on breathing because there's no option to talk, which is fine.
No, same.
Clearly, we're not talkative people. And we keep walking, and then you just see the most beautiful green lake. I don't even know how to explain it. It was a little oasis. I didn't even know we were going to, like, hike to another lake. She, again, told me nothing. So, like, in my mind, I was like, we're gonna make it to the top of this thing, and then we're gonna go back down. I mean, it's beautiful, and it's magical,
yes.
And I honestly don't even know what I thought Germany was. And, like, I'm not even gonna say what I thought Germany was, because I think it's offensive.
That's okay.
But obviously, I'm taking over the vlog right now, in case you were wondering. Some of us have more energy than others. Cold plunged for a second. Thought I was also gonna die there, but
the
it's
cold
fine.
plunge was awesome.
It felt
loved it.
great afterwards. In that moment, I was a little chilly. And then coming back, it was great until you hit this point where you just want to be at the van and you just want to be done.
It's just like your legs get so shaky, you cannot walk anymore.
Also, both of our feet were like
dead.
In dire amounts of pain.
Yeah.
But I found a cow. I made a friend.
If you had to choose like one word to describe today, what would you name it? Like one word for the bad side, one word for the good side. Let's do 2 words.
That's it.
That's it? Are you 2 words?
No, I'm saying no words. No words. That's my word. No words.
Oh.
I'm
yeah,
picking
you had
no
2
words.
words. So you can have no words.
I'm declining to answer because here's the thing is I don't think you could say one word that would encompass how incredible today was. I think maybe present. That's the only word I can think of. Is it just like kept me completely and entirely like I'm in this moment because I spend so much time.
It was so challenging too.
It was so challenging and then also too even just like talking to one another or like seeing what you're seeing. It just all was so I can only be here in this moment.
Yeah. So it was definitely success. Definitely a good hike.
I will never go hiking with Lena again. I kid. It was great. The next 2 weeks of us just like adventuring. She's gonna get sick of my butt. Watch. But at least I'm here to take over the vlog when she doesn't want to, so. Louise, I'm coming for you. Coming for your brand. Coming for your look.
Yeah. Literally. Dude, she's wearing all Louise. This is Louise. This is Louise. This is actually mine, but Louise is like same. And this is Louise. Like, it's all Louise's.
So at this point.
And this is mine. Wait, are you wearing anything on yours other than socks and underwear?
No.
Are you wearing my shirt too?
I'm not even wearing my own socks. I'm literally only wearing my own underwear.
Oh my god.
And my rings.
We had a great day. We were obviously overly tired. We're gonna go to bed now. And then
speak for yourself, bro.
You are overly tired.
What do you mean?
Like a little kid. I should have given you that sugar, dude.
Nah, bro, I'm chilling.
So night-night.
Giving me the sugar. I like love that I whisper to you when I'm trying to
whisper the vlog. You say night-night vlog.
Night-night vlog.
Night-night.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
To pay to get enough things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need them that looking at the things we have. Stay here.
Julie, tell me how excited you are to be at Schloss Neuschwanstein.
Neuschwanstein? Very excited.
We drove by and she just fucking freaked. She was like, "This is Neuschwanstein!" Can you say it again?
Only thing I know in Germany.
Can you say it again?
The Neuschwanstein.
To be with you when everything is a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked.
I didn't lose it this time. I didn't lose it and I didn't crash it. But
Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There's no goal for the longing heart.
License, like flying lessons you could do?
what to say. I'm awkward on camera.